guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make again a very easy tutorial. I have here my acrylic yarn, one in pink and one in cream. My yarn needle, I have 4 buttons, and I'm going to make use of my 3mm crochet hook. So let's get started. I'm going to start with my pink yarn, and we're going to make a slip knot and chain 6. On the 3rd chain from the hook, make 3 half double crochet. One half double crochet on the next 2 chains. On the last chain, make 6 half double crochet. One half double crochet on the next 2 chains. And on the last chain, make 2 half double crochets. And now we are ready to slip stitch to close our first round. Second round, chain 1 and make a half double crochet on the same chain. 2 half double crochets on the next 2 chains. One half double crochet on the next 2 chains. Two half double crochets on the next 6 chains. On the next 2 chains, make 1 half double crochet. On the last 2 chains, make 2 half double crochets in each of the chain. Oops. And we're going to slip stitch to close our second round. For our third round, chain 1 to move up, and we're going to make a back loop half double crochet. So yarn over, we're going to insert our hook from the back, going under the half double crochet of our previous round. Going to yarn over, pull up a loop, going to repeat that again, so we're going to insert from the back, going underneath the first half double crochet of the previous round. We're going to yarn over. We have 3 loops on our hook, and now we're going to make our first half double crochet. Again, we're going to repeat that. We're going to insert our hook from the back, going under the second half double crochet. You're going to yarn over and pull up a loop and make your half double crochet. So we're going to repeat that one on all our chains. This is back post half double crochet. So repeat around your back post half double crochet. So when you reach your end for our round, we're going to make our slip stitch. So now we started the sides of our, so now we have started the sides. To move up for our next round, chain 1. This time we're going to make a regular half double crochet. So 1 half double crochet in all the chains around. So make 1 half double crochet around until you reach your very first chain. We're going to make a slip stitch to join. Our next round will be the same with the previous one. Make a chain of 1 and we're going to make 1 half double crochet on all the chains. So 1 half double crochet in every chain. This time, we're going to fold this in half and we're going to find the middle one. We're going to slip stitch on the next chain, slip stitch on the next chain, and we're going to make a chain of 6. And we're going to slip stitch on the opposite side. So this will be the stitch opposite and slip stitch. And now we have made a small string or handle on this side. And now we're ready to cut our yarn. Now you can take your buttons and we're going to place it 2 on this side and 2 on the other side, just like that. So take your yarn needle and sew your buttons, 2 on this side and 2 on the other side. So now we have sewn in our 4 buttons. For our next part, I'm going to use my cream yarn. We're going to fold this again in half. And this is the middle part. Take a stitch marker. Just a stitch right after our button. I'm going to place my stitch marker on the other side. And I'm going to start on the stitch opposite our stitch marker. So here. So we're going to attach our new color of yarn. I'm going to chain 3, skip 2 chains, and 1 single crochet on the next remaining chains. So I have my stitch marker on the side. We're going to skip 2 chains, chain 3, and I'm going to slip stitch where my stitch marker is. Again, chain 3, and we're going to turn our work. On the first 2 chains, we're going to make 1 single crochet, but we're going to use the front loop only. Single crochet on the first 2 chains using the front loop only. For the next chain, we're going to make 1/2 double crochet using the front loop only. Half double crochet again on the next chain. Half double crochet again on the next chain. And now we have remaining 2 chains. We're going to make 1 single crochet, front loop only, on the 2 remaining chains. Chain 3, and we're going to slip stitch where we start. Chain 3, and turn our work. This time we're going to make use of the back loop only. So we're going to skip these 3 chains on the next single crochet. We're going to make 1 single crochet using the back loop only. Again, single crochet, back loop only. On the next chain, half double crochet, again back loop only. On the next chain, 1/2 double crochet. On the next chain, 1/2 double crochet. On the next 2 chains, we're going to make 1 single crochet, all on back loop only. Chain 3, and we're going to slip stitch on where we start. Again, chain 3, turn your work, you're going to skip those 3 chains. This time, we're going to make use of the front loop only, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, single crochet, single crochet, this time chain 3, and we're going to slip stitch again. Chain 3 again, and we're going to do the same thing, but this time we're going to make use of the back loop only. For the cover, I have made a total of 6 rows. So now I slip stitch and we're ready to close our yarn. And we're ready to close our round. Before I sew this end, I will just make a simple knot. And now I'm ready to sew my end. And now we are done with our small baby carriage. So thank you for joining me again today. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, like and share our videos. I hope you learned a thing or two on our tutorial for today. Happy crocheting everyone, and God bless.